Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Now I'm going to show you how to make a software portable. Let us do this. This is a audio editor software, Audacity, and now I'm going to make this software portable. So this is the shortcut of the software. So to see where the setup files, right click on this and select properties. Here C drive, program files and Audacity. Here we will get all installed files. So we will go there. Okay, this is the C drive and program files, and this is the Audacity, the folder we are looking for. And over here I will select all by pressing Ctrl A. Okay, and then right click on it. Make sure you have installed WinRAR before doing this, and from WinRAR we will select add to archive. Okay, and now check this, create SFX archive. Okay, and then advanced SFX options, setup. So the file name, you can put any name here, but I will keep the same name, Audacity, AUDACITY, and of course run after extension. So we will put extension here, EXE. Okay, then modes, and now check this, unpack to temporary folder, and we can hide all. Now click OK. OK again, it's being processed. Okay, see, this is the Audacity SFX. Okay, cut, and I'm pasting it on desktop. Continue. This is the Audacity, and I'm changing the extension again, EXE. Okay, see, the Audacity has opened from the portable version I have just created. Okay, now I'm going to uninstall this. So settings, apps. Okay, features, Audacity, this is the Audacity, and I'm going to uninstall from here. Okay, install complete. Okay, see, the Audacity is no more here, and now I'll just open the Audacity from the portable version. Are not currently associated with Audacity. So then double click. Yes. See, it's working. I'm trying to see the bar is also working here. My audio is recording. Stop, and I'm playing this. I'm trying to see the bar is also working here. My audio is recording. Okay, so this was all for today. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.